John Christopher Depp, born June 9, 1963, is an American actor, producer, and musician. He is the recipient of multiple accolades, including a Golden Globe Award and a Screen Actors Guild Award. He is one of the most versatile actors in Hollywood film industry. In this video you will find inspiring Johnny Depp quotes on love. Let's begin. If you love two people at the same time, choose second. If you love the first one, you won't have fallen for second. Close your eyes to things you don't want to see, but can't close your heart to things you don't want to feel. People cry not because they're weak, it's because they've been strong for too long. Laugh as much as you breathe, and love as long as you live. Love is one of the hardest words to say, and one of the easiest to hear. The only creatures that are evolved enough to convey pure love are dogs and infants. Love is not blind, it simply enables one to see things others fail to see. She's kind of a walking poem. She's this perfect beauty, but at the same time very deep, very smart. There are 4 questions of value in life. What is sacred? Of what is the spirit made? What is worth living for, and what is worth dying for? The answer to each is same. Only love. If they let me choose between you and the dog, I'll choose the dog. If someone were to harm my family or a friend or somebody I love, I would eat them. I might end up in jail for 500 years, but I would eat them. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching till the end. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care.